I got bitches with me wild. I met a bitch in Bali. I met a bitch in Dallas. Now she work at Magic. Make a bitch move to the city, nigga. I got ball status. Da Vinci on my sweater, bitch. I'm way above average. Rolex on me on TikTok. Savage rock around with the big block. I'm a real gangster, I don't shit talk. Slaughter gang, nigga love to kill. All my pieces flooded. All my drinks come muddy.
Man, look. I know I've been MIA. I know I got an excuse here time I be MIA. But I've been working, man. It's been probably, I don't even remember last time I uploaded a video, honestly. I know it was, probably was like around racing or had something to do with my seats in the mirror. But pretty much, bro, yeah, I know in the previous video I already told y'all my Escalade burnt down. And, you know, that was my daily driver, that was my tow pig, that was my workhorse, all that. And so, you know, that was a tough loss, but I told y'all I was gonna bounce back. Told y'all, hold on. I was about to show y'all what that was, but I was about to spoil what I got going on right now. But yeah, man, so pretty much lost my Escalade. I've been grinding all summer, you know, got me a little side hustle, been working, staying focused. I ain't really been posting too much in social media too much. I ain't really been filming shit, but I done made some shit happen. So without further ado, so y'all ain't just looking at me wondering what I'm talking about. Man, y'all ready? Oh, y'all ready? Fuck it, man, let's do it. Check me out, man. Yeah, man. Check me out. Yeah, we did it. We got the SRT. Yeah. Yup. Yeah. Y'all look at it, man. Don't ever stop hustling. Don't ever stop. It's proof right here. Yeah. Check me out, man. Check me out. Them Brembo things on them. Yeah, man. So it's gonna be my new day. It's gonna be our new little project, man. Got us a little SRT thing. I mean, I ain't gonna get all y'all the details yet of what it is, but just know it's gonna be around. We got a project. It's gonna be my daily, my tow pig, and then we're gonna turn this thing up later too. But you know, Escalade gone, rest in peace, all that. You know, it's sad to see it go, but this low key, bro, I've been wanting one of these for a real long time. You know, I was trying to figure out what I was gonna get. If I was gonna do a pickup truck, if I was gonna do, you know, just get another look like a Lexus LS 430 or 460 or something like that. If I was gonna do like, you know, something like that. Pretty much I've been going back and forth. And what made me do this, bro, I always come, you gotta come back, you gotta buy what you come back to. I always come back to the Jeeps, man. And then I ended up finding this one. It was a hassle to get it. The process to get it was crazy, man. You know, it was tough keeping up with the buy and shit like that. But this one need a little TLC. It ain't perfect. But for the deal I got it for, it's definitely gonna be a project. It definitely is gonna be a project. But I'm gonna do another video, in-depth walk around. But I pretty much just wanted to show y'all what I had going on. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. I like this one. I'm gonna try to hold on to this one for a minute. I say that about every car, but fuck, you know how that shit go. But yeah, man. I'm gonna do, like I said, I'm gonna do an in-depth walk around, talk about my plans. So far, the only thing I've done to this is I got it tinted. I tinted it today, and then I washed it today. When I got it, it was fucking filthy inside and outside. Tint, it had old tint on the front and nothing on the back. So right now I did the, y'all know my special. I gotta do the midnights on the side, and then I got the 20 up front. I think my old windshield wipers low key kind of scratched my windshield up, or the windshield wipers that was on it kind of scratched it up. But anyway, like I said, in-depth walk around in the future. I'm just excited to have it. Look at that motherfucker. My girl in there too. You know that thing so black you can't see it though. But yeah, man, gotta keep hustling, gotta keep the motion going, no matter what. But yep, so like I said, I do in-depth walk around in another video. I don't want to get too deep into it, but yeah, man, I'm happy with it. Got me a Jeep. I got my 1LE still. No, we did not get rid of the 1LE. No, we did not get rid of the V-Dub. Yeah, man, we just added to the fleet. RIP Keisha, big Keisha, the Escalade. But you know, right now we on the way up. So yeah, like, comment, subscribe. I do my best to keep putting out this content, being consistent, and you know, I got a lot of stuff I'm working on now. So as long as I pick up my camera, I'll be straight. But I'm trying not to get a copyright with them in the background. So like always, appreciate y'all supporting me. And, you know, let's keep it going, man. Look at what we got, bruh. One last before we go, bruh. Look at what we got. Yeah, man. But I'll holler at y'all in the next one.
Cash rules everything around me. Dream, get the money. Dollar bill, yeah.